Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we're going out to an area for open practice. I'm getting the bikes ready. I'm taking the 125 today. I finally got that seal in on the shifter so it's not leaking anymore, along with I got the new, what was that, cap or something? Along with the new shifter from Outlaw Racing, so that seal should be good to go. Whoa, camera's glitching. Might be time to retire this camera. It's glitching super bad. But anyways, got the new shifter on there. I'm taking the stock shifter just in case. If you saw the shifter, the original one, this is another new one. It actually stripped out. So this is a fresh one. I'll tighten down, see how it goes. But yeah, it's not leaking anymore. It's been out here for like an hour and no drips anywhere so far, so that's good. That's dialed. I still got to mix up some fuel, get that good to go. That way I don't have to do it at the track, and I don't have to bring 2 cans. I washed the pitter up today, gave it a little power wash, and that's good. I also cleaned up the 250F over here from riding this weekend. It took me a few days to clean it up since I was sick and whatnot. I finally got my voice back a little bit, and not entirely, but it took me like 2 days. Like the past 2 days I didn't have a voice at all. I've only got maybe like 2 gallons left of this, so I only usually put 2 gallons in the can and then mix it from there. There's really no need to fill it up any higher. I would normally mix it half and half, but it is what it is. I'll just run straight to the 110 today, or the 112, whatever it is. Normally mix it just 32-to-1, and I'm only saying this because I know I've gotten a lot of questions on fuel, mixture, blah, 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 so hopefully this will answer some of your guys' questions. If not, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try to answer it, or answer it in a video. Alright, we got a fresh filter in there, good to go. Pop this back on. I think Ryan's picking me up with the trailer today. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna drive by myself or if he's just gonna meet me there, because I know somebody's today coming to look at his, I forget what year it is. It's in maybe a 2010 F-150. Might be trading it for some Ram. I don't know. But anyways, should be good to go. We're supposed to leave here in the next like 20-30 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna put the camera down. I can't do this one-handed, trying to screw these in. Maybe I can. There we go. All right, so we're all loaded up. Ryan just picked me up with the trailer. I got my big thing of water, Pop-Tart, because you know that's my diet, so. You already know Moto diet for that Pop-Tart. It is what it is. Forearm strong because, yeah. Well, shout out to Ryan's expert strapping skills. The bikes are flopped over, as you can see.
Are the only 2 up.
Yeah, right? Didn't take the time to strap them down.
My 125 fell the one time. So.
All right, Ryan, we don't need excuses right now.
You hit it? Yeah.
the triple out of the woods on this. I'm too much of a girl right now. I'm not hitting it. What?
Just follow me off it.
I'm not, I don't feel, it's too sketch. I'll do it on my 250, not there.
No, don't hit it, just follow me.
Oh, alright. Yeah. I don't know why you roosted me in the neck, so I cut off. But I can't hit it on this. It's so whooped, like.
Yeah,
I'm just making excuses, but still. It was prime last week. When I had my 250, it was so smooth. It's up on the video recording. Alright, so it's the next day. I didn't actually film too much aside from just the GoPro yesterday because I didn't really feel like it. Wasn't feeling it on the 125. Just kind of cruising around having fun. No need to whatever. Feel more comfortable on the 250, that's for sure. I just gotta ride this thing more. I'm not used to the two-stroke. I'm just not. It's just a new learning curve for me, and it's just something, like I said, it's gonna take me some time to get down and learn. I got Ryan's bikes and stuff here. I'm gonna wash up for him. I did end up actually yesterday when my 125 was like bogging super bad for like the first like 2 practices, and then it finally cleared itself out. I'm assuming maybe gas was turned off for the, I think it was like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I didn't ride this thing, and maybe it was just gummed up, clogged up a little bit. And not to mention, I might have mixed, I think it was the 112 mixed with the 93, I don't know. So it had like ran that full tank of the 112 through it. I don't even know what I'm saying, but it cleared itself out and it's fine now. But I was gonna ride Ryan's 125 for the time being when mine wasn't working, so I hopped on this thing, took it off the stand, warmed it up, and then I was talking to a few people, then I put it back on the stand. I guess I didn't put it on the stand properly. Bike fell off the stand, broke his clutch perch, so I owe Ryan another clutch perch for that. I think I have one down here. I think I have that Outlaw one. I'm just gonna throw on there. It'll match with the blue. But yeah, I'm gonna wash both his bikes up. Might go rip the pitter around dirty, clean this thing up a little bit. Start bringing both bikes to the track, that way I can swap back and forth. But it's just annoying, especially when if Ryan goes and then somebody else goes, there's not enough room in the trailer. But yeah, I'll get used to this thing. And like I said, I've only ridden this like maybe 5 times total, so I haven't ridden it too much yet, and I'll get used to it eventually. Like a lot of these other kids that grew up riding like 85s, 65s, 125s, like I got it to, well, actually I had a CRF 150R, it was like my first dirt bike, and then I got a 250F, so I didn't really grow up riding dirt bikes. I've only been in this thing for like maybe a solid 4 years of riding dirt bikes, and then like I would just say that's riding, like not actually riding. Actually, like riding dirt bikes has probably been like the past 2 years, I'd say, a solid 2 years of actually like, you know what I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna hook the GoPro on. We're gonna go rip the shells on the pitter. Looks like Ryan's seat cover's already ripping from his knee braces. That's why you get the thicker material. M25 still needs some work. He's waiting on the steering stem bearings. They're super, you can't really tell, they're super notchy. And then his linkage bearing shot. There's literally nothing left. It's like metal on metal. It's super sketchy. I remember to have this other cheap throttle that I'm probably gonna throw on the 110 over here. I might just end up ordering a top end for it and then see if that works. And then that's after trying to adjust the valves one more time, give it one more shot, and then I'll order up the top end. I think it's only like $60 for TV parts, the 143 whatever kit top end, so that's not too bad. Try to wheel this out one-handed. Let's knock this bad boy get all warmed up. Should probably clean the truck too, honestly. It's a little dirty, but I'll get to it. This thing now only starts with the clutch pulled in. I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, now it decides it wants to work. This is gonna be majorly overgrown here soon if I don't start cutting some other stuff. That's for sure. Or if we don't ride it a lot. One of the two. Looks like somebody else was back here by the marks on the ground. right here. Or right here, there's no way. No way you're getting a quad through here when my pit bike handlebars barely fit through side to side. Like shifted me all the way up into fourth. That was weird. Brakes are squeaky. Trying not to touch the ground right there. To ride by yourself sometimes, to be honest, but it's alright. There's glass everywhere on the ground right here. So much glass. Definitely came through here on a quad, tried going around that way and through there. There's no way they cleared by over there. No way. This goose does not care. He did not care. These ones do. Like the balance and like the wheelies and like just overall balance. I think riding a big bike too sometimes, believe it or not. Maybe not though. Maybe not. I think it does. A little bit. That was fun. So I'm gonna cap the video off here. I know it's kind of boring, mainly GoPro, but like I always say, seriously, for the people that like GoPro, hopefully you like this video. I didn't get too much riding. I don't know how much GoPro's on riding, but regardless, I'm gonna start the next video today. Hopefully, if I get it in the package in FedEx today, should have a video up Saturday with that. So stay on the lookout for a video Saturday, probably around like 10 a.m. But yeah, if you guys are new, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.